So for today's super short, simple day, I am handing out on paper, Basic 20, version 4. So if you're a kid who's at home today, your job is to print it out yourself. It's from algebraninja.com, and you would go to the ACT Prep tab and print a Basic 20 V4. Basic 20 version 4. And then we're doing that on paper, so you could print it out if you were at home today. And basically just work on it, and if you get stuck on any of them, ask somebody. Maybe it's a kid next to you, maybe it's me. Get some help. You need to know how to do all of these Basic 20s, and it's your only homework over the weekend is to bring this plain old-fashioned paper worksheet back with you tomorrow or on Monday. And you'll get a bunch of it done right now. Okay? Any questions? All right, so I'm handing this out. And that has to be the shortest video I've ever done. And that's all I got for you today is do the Basic 20 over the weekend.